Hello, this lecture is a bonus and is meant to be more fun. We will demonstrate how we can turn a worker object into a vehicle, such as a forklift. Of course, this is not the standard way to simulate a forklift or AGV. Typically, we use the standard MU object called transporter. Transporter MU we will cover in the next lectures. However, in some cases, it can be useful to make the worker act as a vehicle, and it's good for you to be aware of this option. In this lesson, we'll use the model from the previous lesson, but actually the one where worker 3 was carrying material only in his hands. So let's open the worker 3 object in 3D. We change its 3D model. And we select the forklift model. You can simply choose one of the two options. And we can also add the worker 3D model to this forklift model so that he will be sitting on this forklift. So I choose the operator sitting male object, and we can place him right here so that he's sitting on the forklift object. If needed, we can also adjust his position slightly in the 3D space. We can also adjust the y-axis position. We can also check the MU animation to see if the pallet fits precisely in the position of the forklift forks. And when we display the MU animation, we can see that it's exactly at the height of the forks, so we don't need to change the position of the MU animation object. And we can also rename the object to forklift. Finally, we just need to test the worker acting as a forklift to make sure everything works correctly. In this bonus lecture, we demonstrated how to turn the worker object into a forklift by changing the 3D model, and we also add a seated worker to this model.